To change watermark alignment on the camera app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under picture section, tap watermark. Scroll down the screen. Under style section, tap the desired alignment you like to use for the watermark. For the horizontal alignment, there are 3 options available: left, center, and right. While for the vertical alignment, there are 2 options available: top and bottom. As you are changing the alignment, you can see how the watermark will be placed on the photo on the watermark preview. As the example, we will select right for the horizontal alignment and top for the vertical alignment. If you are happy with your selection, tap the back key twice. To see the result, take a picture and then tap the picture thumbnail to view it on the gallery app. As you can see, the watermark on your photo is now placed on the top right of the photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.